Did you know you were smiling before you were even born? Yep, it's one of your superpowers. We're going to talk about that in today's meditation. So go get comfortable. I'll be right back. Daily meditation. It's the antidote to worries, stress, and nonstop thinking. For some people, it's like breaking out of the mental prison to find paradise. People suffer from stress, anxiety, depression. They lead to physical illnesses. So many people turn to medication for the answers, when the answers are inside you. Meditation will help you with all that stuff and more. It's actually the best way to start the day. It only takes a couple minutes. Why don't you hang around? Give it a try. We start smiling before we're born. It starts in the womb. That universal expression for joy, excitement, happiness, gratitude, pleasure, and bliss. That smile somehow appears on our faces before the sunshine ever touches us. Smiles are contagious. They have an energy, and that energy transfers from people to people. We're able to use our smile in times of difficulty, in times of triumph, and it lets the world know how we feel. But what if we could use our smile to tell us how we want to feel? You know, what if you can smile when you don't really want to? There's a mind-body connection. And that mind-body connection is very strong. What if you could use that mind-body connection in reverse? Instead of waiting for your feelings to make a smile, what if you could take your smile and then start feeling happy? What if you can start taking your smile to feel joy? Did you ever try it? Let's try it right now. Take a deep breath in. And let it go. We're just going to check in. 3 energy centers. Let's check in with our gut. See how our belly's feeling today. I'm not talking about if I'm hungry. Just be aware. No judgment. You don't have to label it. Just feel it. Just feel your belly. Move your awareness around, your waist, your belly, your navel. Feel the air going in your body, back out. Now move your awareness up to your heart, up into your chest. Take a big breath in. And release. How's your heart feeling today? Just be aware, no judgment. Now move your awareness up to your mind. You're still waking up. You got things to do. Sun's rising. Maybe it's already up. Take a big breath in. All right. Now, smile. Close your eyes and smile. Breathe in through your nose. Hold that smile. Hold it. Hold it. Are you feeling dopamine? Are you feeling it? Is it rising up around your ears, up towards the top of your head? Is your heart vibrating differently? Is it in your stomach? Anything moving? Just hold that smile. Breathe in. You can transform the world with that smile. You definitely can transform the room. What happens when you smile at someone? What happens when someone smiles at you? Here's a better one. What happens when eyes lock and you share a smile? I bet a giggle comes out. Breathe in. Atta girl, atta guy, let it out. Uh-huh, you feel it. Uh-huh. Breathe in. All you gotta do is smile. It's your natural state. Just be aware. Move your awareness down to your belly again. How's it feel now that you've been smiling for, I don't know, a minute? Is it any different? I bet it is. Go ahead. Big breath in. All down into that belly. Yeah. Alright, now move your awareness up to your heart. Get situated. Get ready to expand that chest. You're gonna fill it with air. All that good prana. You're gonna suck it in. That's right. Ready? You're smiling, right? Smile. Think about your heart. Breathe in. Hold it. Hold it. Let it go. We're almost there. We got a little more time together, and we're gonna go. So I'm gonna ask you to move your attention, all of your awareness to your mind, to your heart, and to your gut. We're gonna breathe in. We're gonna breathe in joy. We're gonna breathe in gratitude. We're gonna breathe in bliss. Here we go. I thank you for spending this time with me. I'm grateful for you. I want you to take your smile today. I want you to go out into the world. I want you to share it. You know, there are people that need your smile. Life is tough. When you use your smile and life is kicking you, knocking you down, somehow life turns around. Everything gets better. Just relax and let your face go. It's your natural state. It's the way we're supposed to be. Peace and love. Love and light. Breathe in. Namaste. Wait for the bell. Thank you for meditating with me. I hope you've enjoyed this sunrise, and I hope this brightens your day. If you enjoyed this time together, please let me know in the comments. Click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone you love. Help me spread some sunshiny meditations in the morning. Peace and love.